Namaste Gurukulian. I hope all of you are fit and fine in this pandemic and applying all the precautionary measure for the safety of your family and yourself also. Or it is our duty to protect our society, to protect our country. So today we are here to learn about the second chapter, Olympic Value Education. It is of +1 class, or it is the second part of this chapter. In last part we completed about ancient Olympic, started in 776 BC. What is the reason why that Olympics started? Some stories, tales are there, reason given in that stories that ancient Olympics started. What was the reason in that stories? It is given, but not a single story is confirmed. Many stories are there, 5-6 stories were there. Or after that, rule and regulation. What was the rule and regulation of ancient Olympic of the particular Greek people? Opening ceremony, closing ceremony. So today we will discuss Olympic Value Education class +1 part 2. Today we will discuss about the modern Olympic Games. Modern Olympic Games. Modern Olympic Games started, first modern Olympic game, it held in 1896 in Athens. Athens, it is situated in Greece. Same place that they chosen for the starting of modern Olympic Games, where ancient Olympics games were held at same place. Again they start the modern Olympic Games. One more thing, father of modern Olympic Games. Father of modern Olympic Games, that is Baron de Coubertin. He is from France. He did lots of efforts for the starting of modern Olympic Games. He conducted many meetings. Or in the beginning, what happened after his birth, when he was in growing age, his family wants that he have to go in technical line, technology, but for some time he joined army, or then he studied the literature, history, or then he check out the, till now disputes are going on among between the countries. So how to pacify these type of disputes among the country? Then he got idea from the ancient Olympic Games that we have to start again Olympic Games. Through these Olympic Games we will bring peace in the world. That is the main motive of Baron de Coubertin. So he started at first in 1893. He conduct a meeting. In that meeting 4 or 5 country take participate, like Italy, Spain, Germany, France, etc. But the important thing, the member of who participated from these countries, who represent their country in the meeting, they agreed with the idea of Baron de Coubertin. Then after this, again 16 June 1894, a meeting organized by Coubertin. And the significant, the important thing, 75 country participate in that meeting. In 1893 there were 4, 5, 6 countries, or in 1894 he convinced 75 countries that representative participate in the meeting, or they agreed with the idea of Coubertin, or they discussed that how we have to start, how we can initiate these games. So at first Olympics started in 1896 Athens. It is the history of modern Olympic game. Now we will talk about Olympic symbol. That Baron de Coubertin and his team add many symbolic things in the Olympic Games, which show the unity in the world, which show the peace in the world, which unite all the continent of the world. Some things they add in the Olympics as a symbols, like flag is there, Olympic symbol is there, Olympic motto is there, even Olympic oath is there, medal ceremony is there through medals. So at first Olympic symbol. In Olympic symbol it is given by Baron de Coubertin. Olympic symbol given by Baron de Coubertin. In Olympic symbol, what he did? He given 5 rings. 5 rings. 5 rings. That 5 rings they are showing on the Olympic flag. First that Olympic symbol. Second is Olympic flag. Olympic flag, it is planned in 1913, it is inaugurated in 1914, or that flag in 1920. In 1920 the Olympic flag first time used. Olympic flag, I think 1920 Olympic Antwerp Olympic it was. 1920 these Olympic held in Antwerp. In 1920 first time Olympic flag used, and 5 rings. Now we will discuss the connection of these 5 rings and of that flag, and that flag is of white color. These type of question will can come in the MCQs. So note down this in your notebook. 5 rings like this. Like this, these rings are interlocked with each other. If we generally we can say it is in W shape, or these rings are on the Olympic flag. Suppose it is the Olympic flag. Okay. These are the rings. Color of the Olympic flag is white. White is the symbol of peace. Peace, Shanti. Now these rings have a different color. One trick is there. That trick you have to remember. बिबगर, बिबगर, BYBGR, बिबगर. और वन थिंग that बिबगर under divide it with A and A. Okay, बिबगर 1B we will write here, Y we will write here, again B we will write here, G we will write here, R we will write here, to remember the color of the particular ring. Now E we will write here, A we will write here, again A, again A, or again A. Don't be confused in 4A. Number of A are 4. Now I will tell you the actual definition or actual meaning of these words, Bibgar and EAAAA. The thing accepted by the people that these rings are showing that continents interlock with each other, it means unite, unity among the continents. Now Bibgar, B, first blue, first ring, color of first ring is blue. Second Y, color of second ring is yellow. Again third B showing black, black. G showing green. R is showing red. Okay, now E, A and A. First is showing Europe, means blue color is for the Europe. Yellow showing the Asia. The connection of second A is with yellow, means yellow color is for the Asia. Third B, black, it is showing the, simply you know, in Africa, color of the living beings, it is black, but don't discriminate it, all the human beings are equal. B, black, it is for Africa. G, green, green is showing the Australia. Last A is for the America. America means North or South America both. B, blue, Y, yellow, B, black, G, green, R, red. BYBGR, Bibgar. EAAAA, E showing Europe, A showing Asia, A Africa, third A Australia, fourth A America. Blue for Europe, yellow for Asia, black for Africa, G, green for Australia, red for America. So it is the method to learn the color of the ring or that particular color showing which continent. Now Olympic flame. Olympic flame, it started in 1928 officially. started in 1928 Olympic flame to carry that flame in the stadium where Olympics games are going to be held. And in 1936 Berlin Olympic, Hitler that inaugurated these games because Berlin is the capital of Germany. 1928, 1932 unofficial Olympic flame the sports persons are carrying, but in 1936 officially it is added in the Olympic games that this activity every year will take place in the Olympic games. Olympic flame showing the knowledge, peace, life, etc. Symbol. What is the symbol behind Olympic flame? Knowledge, peace and life. It is the main concern. Or how that Olympic flame work in the Olympic games. At first what happened? A Olympic flame torch kindled in Athens, in Greece, Olympia Valley, through the that sunlight, sun rays. Then it is carried by the athletes to the place where Olympics games going to be held, or then the famous athlete of the particular country kindle the bigger one flame which is installed in the stadium. So it is the thing you have to learn about the Olympic flame. Now Olympic motto. Olympic motto. Olympic motto, specification of Olympic motto, it is given by Father Didon in 1895. Father Didon 1895. Two things are important. Olympic motto. Father Didon and 1895 was the year. The special thing, what is the Olympic motto? Olympic motto is Citius, Altius, Fortius. Citius means faster, Altius means higher, Fortius means stronger. Citius, Altius, Fortius, faster, higher, stronger. Learn it in sequence. 2-3 times if you will repeat it, automatically it will learn Citius, Altius, Fortius, faster, higher, stronger. It is related with the games. You know, in games and sports which type of activity require, means faster, run faster, higher, jump higher, stronger, throw stronger, pick up the stronger, weight training, any type of throwing event is there. So these three things relate with the games and sports. Citius, Altius, Fortius, faster, higher, stronger, or these three words written on the Olympic flag also. Citius, Altius, Fortius. It is given by Father Didon in 1895. Now opening ceremony. In opening ceremony, what happened? At first, all player assemble at the venue, then Olympic flame kindled. Third one, head of the country inaugurate the games with the help of Olympic officials. Maybe IOC head also will be there. Fifth one, march past. In march past, all the teams of different countries will do march past in front of the stage. Or one rule is there, always first country which will represent the march past, it is of Athens, Greece. After that, second one sequence will be there, or in the end the host country will come. Which country is hosting the Olympic Games? In the end, that team members of the country will come in march past. Or after that, games or some cultural activity will be there, or then games started, competition started. Now closing ceremony. Closing ceremony. In closing ceremony, what happened? Same. All participant assemble in stadium and then head of the country and head of IOC plus mayor of city will be there on the stage. 3 flag will be there. First one, the country flag, which country organized the game. Second one, that IOC Olympic flag. Or third flag, in next year which country will conduct the competition. Then they at first the national anthem of the hosting country, then anthem of the Olympics, that IOC Olympic Games, or then they will down the flags, and that flag given to the mayor, the country flag given to the mayor, and the Olympic flag they keep down, or that given to the IOC head, or that third flag given to the head of the country, which country will organize the next year tournament. Deeply we will discuss this opening or closing ceremony in next part. When we complete this chapter, 2-3 things we will discuss. From first chapter about seeding, or some more methods are there to organize the competition. One more thing, or 1 or 2 more methods are there to divide the buys. Sorry, it was of +2 class. So deeply we will discuss about these Olympic Games, orally or through writing on the board. I will discuss closing ceremony. Many more things are there, or in next year where Olympic will held, they complete this announcement also in the closing ceremony. So dear student, for today this much. In next part we will do the further part of that medal ceremony, or many more topics are there of this chapter. So तब तक के लिए सभी को नमस्ते. Take care of your health. Thank you.